my new Norris water heater, and on the advice and consultation from my Asian plumbing service technician Ramon, who has been super. He's done a lot of work for me, both in this place that I bought and also the one that I sold. And this unit seems perfect for what I need. This has all been streamlined, new, repaired. There's been this really fine electrical outlet set here in the box cupboard, and insulation set in and wrapped so it doesn't deteriorate. And all of this explained to me, and all my questions Ramon has always answered completely and offered additional information, which I love. It's great. And what can I say? It's great. And Ramon has been perfect, patient, dedicated. He's come 3 days in a row to do a lot of work for me here at my new house, and transformed the place. And I'm immensely grateful and appreciative.